I'm Benis Rosanes. I'm from Group 2 of CN23 and I'm from the Faculty of Engineering taking up BS Industrial Engineering. During the first semester, we went to FC Del Rosario Elementary School in Samal, Bataan, and during the semester, we went to NTA Montalban Rizal and Sitio Galilee Antipolo Rizal. In the first semester, our objective is to beautify the classrooms of the preschoolers by painting the walls. By painting the walls, we made the classroom, hopefully we made them more conducive to learning. And in Montalban Rizal, our main objective is to make the persons aware of those people, groups, or other individuals that help make their community a better place. And lastly, in Antipolo Rizal, our main objective is to pass on our knowledge and teach the people of what to do or how to attend to injured people when disaster strikes. Yes, hopefully, I believe that those goals were achieved because I saw the pictures of the finished elementary school and I found it nice. And in Montalban Rizal, I saw that the persons we talked to were very eager and very cooperative. And in Antipolo Rizal, we saw that the persons learned or what we taught them during the practical.
And earthquake.
Unfortunately, in Samal Bataan, we were not able to interact or talk with the children there. In Montalban, I really found Nanay Merlita very intelligent and very eager to help her community. And in Antipolo Rizal, we also saw the eagerness and the cooperation in the participants. Modesty aside, I was taught by my parents how to be respectful, not only to older people but to everyone. And I was able to apply that when I interacted with the persons in the partner communities we went. I will answer this question in Tagalog. Una sa lahat, natuto ako na pagiging mapagbigay sa kapwa ko. Dahil yung pagiging mapagbigay, hindi pala yun dapat sa pilitan. Since required nga kami na tumulong dito sa NSTP, feeling ko, hindi lamang natatapos dito sa NSTP yung pagtulong sa ibang tao. Parang namulat nito yung mata ko na maging mas matulungin pa sa kapwa ko na nangangailangan. At natuto rin ako na magpasalamat sa mga bagay na meron ako. Kasi doon ako nakakilala ng mga tao, lalo na yung mga bata, na hindi ganoon kaswerte na makuha yung mga bagay na natatamasa ko at ng mga kasama ko. Kaya yun, dapat mas maging mapagpasalamat pa ako sa mga biyayang nakukuha ko. I believe that I became a better individual after this course because I was able to meet many people from every aspect of life. I widened my horizon and most of all, I learned how to interact with other people, not just in this university, not just in my circle, but also from other places.